Benz Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. Today I have for you the 2022 Toyota Venza Limited, and this is hybrid in all-wheel drive. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that puts out 219 horsepower and 163 pounds-per-feet of torque. It's got a 55 liter fuel tank, and that'll boast fuel economy ratings of 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers in the city, and then 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. So this baby's got hybrid synergy drive, which means the system automatically switches between electric power and conventional engine power. So overall, this vehicle is great on gas, which is definitely a good thing considering these soaring gas prices at the moment. This would be a great choice for you from the Toyota lineup if you find that the RAV4 is a little too rugged for your taste and you want something sleeker, and then the Highlander would be the next size up from here. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior features. So coming over to the driver's side door panel, you can see it has this really nice two-tone leather Softex material in the gray and brown with the accented white stitching, and this really nice wood grain kind of trim around the door panels. You've got your automatic power door locks, power windows, and then your power exterior mirrors. And you've also got memory settings for the mirrors in the seats, so you can just program up to 2 drivers, which makes it a no-hassle vehicle if you have multiple drivers in your household. To the left of your steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams, traction control, windshield wiper de-icer, and heated steering wheel button, and you also have your power lift gate button as well. This is an 8-way power adjustment for the driver's seat, and you'll have a 4-way power adjustable seat on the passenger side. You've also got the lumbar support on this, which is really handy. And again, this is the Softex material. They're heated and ventilated seats. Hopping inside, it's a push button start ignition. You've got a power tilt and telescopic leather wrapped steering wheel here, and as I said, it's heated, and those heating elements are located just where your hands would naturally rest on the steering wheel at 10 and 2 there. You've got your Bluetooth and hands-free controls here, and then your Toyota Safety Sense feature controls on the other side. And that covers things like the pre-collision system, pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, road sign assist, and adaptive cruise control. Up above you have your 7-inch color multi-information display, and it also has the heads-up display. And basically what that will do is it will project your speed limit, and you can kind of see it here in the daytime. It'll project it just over the hood so that you can actually keep your eyes on the road, making it really safe. It's a little better visibility on this at nighttime, but you can kind of get the idea. So now I just want to show you, this is a 12.3 inch high resolution split screen multimedia display. And it's got a really cool backup camera with multiple viewing options. And you've also got your bird's eye view, so it makes it easy to see everything that's going on around your vehicle. Down below you have your dual zone climate control options. You've got a USB input over here. 2 of them actually. And then tucked in here, it's a little bit hard to see, but that's a wireless charger. So you just place your phone right there and you can charge it without any hassle of cords and cables. You've got your automatic parking brake, electric parking brake with parking brake hold, and your drive mode selection with this toggle button here. There's a leather wrapped shift knob there. A couple of cup holders here, and then tucked in your console, you've got your heated and ventilated seats for the driver, and then the passenger with high, medium, and low settings. This nice wood grain feature is continued throughout. You've got a couple of additional cup holders, and this pops right open, and you've got a pretty decent sized storage well in there as well. This vehicle is equipped with a 9-speaker JBL sound system. You've got blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert on the camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course, as well as a 3-month all-access trial to Sirius XM satellite radio. Up above, you've got your Toyota connected services, and you can do things like remotely lock and unlock your vehicle doors, get speedy roadside assistance. You can start your vehicle from inside on those cold days, all with the push of a button. You can also receive regular health reports on your vehicle, so that's neat. This up above is your HomeLink integrated garage door opener. This is called a Stargaze fixed panoramic roof, and it's frosted, and then just pushing the button up above here will open it up to blue skies above. So that really brightens up the vehicle, making it really nice. All right, let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now in terms of the exterior of the vehicle, you've got these projector style LED headlamps. These are your intelligent clearance sonar detectors. 19-inch alloy wheels. Got your smart key entrance. You've got your exterior mirrors with the integrated turn signal blinker, and you've got your blind spot monitor as well. Roof-mounted shark fin antenna, rear wiper blade, and just pushing that button right under the Toyota logo will pop open your rear trunk hatch. You've got a really nice roomy cargo back here, speakers as well, retractable soft tonneau cover. And then under here, you've got your spare tire and all the tools you would need to replace the tire. And we can just close the hatch, push that button above. And there you go. So entering over on the rear passenger side, you've got pockets on each of the seat backs to tuck your belongings in. Rear seat heating and cooling vents, and then 2 additional USB inputs for if you have kids. That comes in really handy. Center armrest folds down, revealing 2 additional cup holders. And this is your traditional 60-40 split rear seat, and that can be pulled down just by pulling this lever, and it just drops down in case you need a little bit of extra room in your trunk for those longer items you might be purchasing at Home Depot. And that just clicks right back up into place. Now in terms of legroom, I'll give you an idea. That front seat is pushed all the way back, and this is about how much legroom there is. So it's quite a comfortable amount. All right, folks, so that was the 2022 Toyota Venza Limited Hybrid in all-wheel drive, and it's in the Blizzard Pearl exterior color. So give us a call at 613-342-9111, and you can take this baby for a test drive. I'm certain you'll fall in love with it. You can also visit us, as always, at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and if there's anything else you're interested in or you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.